Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 725 split nation parts. But please, before diving into the video, I would like to urge you all to please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, any comment, be it the question number, anything, just let YouTube know that we are posting content, and it will automatically push the content and help me gain some subscribers. Okay, so let's dive into the question. That is, we'll be given the head of a signal list and an integer key, and we have to split the linked list into k consecutive linked list paths, and the length of each path should be as equal as possible. No extra path should have a size differing by more than one, and this may lead to some paths being null. And the path should be in the order of the occurrence in the input list, and the parts occurring earlier should always have a size greater than or equal to the parts occurring later. And we have to return an array of k parts. So basically we are having the linked list as 1, 2 and 3. So it's also mentioned that the size of two parts cannot be differ more than one. So we can, what we can do is we can split 1 to 3 into three individual parts of itself, 1, 2 and 3, and then keep the two parts as null, so the apparently the difference comes out to be 1. But in the next case we are having this linked list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we have to divide it into three parts. So what we can do is we can keep 1 2 3 4 intact, then 5 6 7, and then 8 9 10 together. So then also each part is not having a difference more than one. So this is how we can do. And firstly we'll be having to calculate the size of the whole linked list, then we'll be checking that if it's exactly divisible by k, then that's fine, otherwise we'll be having we'll be adding one extra part to the every part till the extra number of parts become 0, and that will be our answer. Okay, so let's firstly have a list node current that is pointing towards head. Okay, and also let's have a size variable, size that is equal to initially 0. Then while current is not equal to null, let's do a size plus plus and current equal to current dot next. Okay, now let's have the partition, let's call it partition only, that will be equal to size by k, and the node which are extra and extra nodes, so that will be equal to size mod k. Okay, now we know that how many we are having extra and what is the partition size. So let's have a list node of answer. So answer array basically, that is equal to new list node, and we have to return a answer array of size k. So let's declare the size as k. Then let's again make current point towards the head. And then while oh sorry, let's have the for let's run the loop up to k. So for int I equal to 0, I less than k, I plus plus. Then what we can do is firstly we'll be setting that result of I is equal to current, and then we'll be breaking the next connection. So let's have current size, let's call it, so that will be equal to my partition size, partition plus, if I'm having extra, minus minus is greater than 0, then 1, otherwise I don't have to add anything more than that. Then what I'll be doing is that for int j equal to 0, j less than current size j plus plus, I'll be moving my current equal to current dot next, so that I'll be having my last node which I want to add in the current partition. Then I'll be checking that if my current, now I have to basically break the connection. So if current is not equal to null, what I'll be doing is I'll be storing the next list node. So list node next, that is equal to current dot next. Then I'll be breaking the connection, that is current dot next, I'll be updating it to null, and uh, then I'll be updating my current equal to the next which I have stored earlier, and after that I just have to return the answer array, and I'll be done. Now let's give it a run. Oh, result array answer. Now let's give it a run again. Oh, okay, so it gave me null pointer exception. Oh, okay, so current size -1. My bad. Now let's give it a run again. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably fine as well. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.